Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a half burnt face. Let's go. I'm going to start by tying my hair to the side. I'm going to make this part of my head all burnt, so that's why we're putting our hair to the side. I'm gonna use some clips just so it stays in place. And then what you wanna do is grab a bald cap and you wanna cut it in half. So I actually just did that off camera and it looks something like this. I also cut a hole for my ear, and this is how we're going to place this. I know it looks weird, but it's gonna look cool. I'm going to start by placing the bald cap on my hair, and I'm going to secure this with some more clips. Before we glue this to our face, we have to apply some Vaseline just to protect our baby hairs. I'm going to use Pros-Aide, but you can also use Spirit Gum. I'm going to trace with a white pencil where the bald cap is, so I know where to apply the adhesive. As you can see, it turns clear once it dries. So now I'm going to place this. Now I'm going to blend these edges with some latex. Okay, now once this dries, you want to grab a translucent powder and just go over it to remove the shine and to set the latex. Ugh. Next step is to apply foundation, just so this looks a bit more like our skin. Okay, I know this isn't exactly my skin tone, but this will mostly help as an undertone. I'm going to set the foundation with some foundation powder. Now it's time to make the wound itself. I'm going to use latex and cotton. Start by applying a thin layer of latex. And now cotton, and now go over it with some more latex. I almost forgot about my eyebrows, so let me go over them with some Vaseline real quick. I'm going to apply some cotton, but don't put latex directly on your eyebrows. Be careful. This is a quite messy process. I just ruined my shirt and my shorts. So yay. And I can't smile, look. I look so weird. Okay. So yeah, we're feeling sticky. We're feeling gross. We are ready to paint. I'm gonna go over with some more foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my alcohol activated paints and I'm going to start by using black. Okay, so now that we're looking like rotten pizza, let's add the reds. I'm now going to use some aged blood, which is a darker tone, to go over the black.
I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all.
And now we're gonna go with some scab blood and we're going to use this stipple sponge.
Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn.
Okay, now I'm going to grab a brush and I'm gonna go over the black.
It's coming to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. One spark, I feel lightning blazing up through the darkest nights. Hold your breath, babe, the smoke is burning. Now kiss me now.
Okay, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do I look like human pizza or does it look like an actual burn? I hope it looks like both. So if you did enjoy this video, please comment and leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!